Meaning of dramatis personae.
Dramatis personae.
Dramatis personae.
Dramatis personae.
Dramatis personae. Dramatis personae is a Latin term that refers to the list of characters presented in a dramatic work, such as a play or an opera. It is commonly used as a heading or section title in the opening pages of a script or libretto. The purpose of this list is to give the reader or audience a sense of the identities and relationships of the characters involved. It can also provide some context for understanding the story. In short, dramatis personae serves as a reference tool that helps to orient the reader or viewer to the fictional world of the performance.